Dennis with Yellowblue. Today we're going to go over all the wonderful features of our Yellowblue solar-powered attic fan. Interesting note, if you look above my head, you'll see that we have a gable fan operating. It's about 95 degrees outside today. It's very cool here in our Yellowblue demo house because we've got our fantastic solar-powered fans keeping the area here cool. A lot of people have asked me a lot of questions about what makes the Yellowblue solar-powered attic fan different. What makes it so special? And so I want to do this video so I can explain every part of the system and exactly how it works. So let's get started. There are many features of the system that makes it so special and so different from everything else in the market. Let's start with the most basic parts of the system. The entire system is made out of aircraft-grade spun aluminum. That means that these parts are completely fabricated out of aircraft-grade aluminum. This is not plastic. All of this is aircraft-grade aluminum. All the fasteners are stainless steel. The base flashing, as you can see, the contour allows the system to increase the performance because of the angle that the air is able to go into. The air enters in here, enters into the air transfer chamber, and exits out here. This component under here is also made out of aircraft-grade spun aluminum. So there are no components in the system that are plastic. It's also going to make the system 100% fire rated. Another one of the important features of the system is the embedded solar panel. This is a 20-watt glass-faced polycrystalline solar panel, one of the most powerful solar panels on the market. It's custom designed and custom engineered specifically for the Yellowblue attic fan. It provides a very beautiful aesthetic finish as well as a very functional system for, as you can see, it's flush to the top and very, very beautiful. What makes this motor important and what makes it so special and different from everything else on the market is the fact that our blades are dynamically balanced. You can see these little stainless steel weights. Each blade is spun up to speed and then balanced. What that's going to do is going to give you a higher level of performance, plus no vibration in your attic. The actual motor itself is a very special design. The actual motor does not contain any brushes. DC motors typically contain brushes. The brushes wear out with time. The system will stop operating when the brushes wear out. With the Yellowblue motor, we don't have any brushes. It's called a brushless motor technology. We also incorporated maximum power point tracking, which extracts more energy out of the solar panel than any other product. The electronics are built right inside. It's completely waterproof, dirt-proof, windproof. So the system is then attached to a special cowling on the inside. If you get close up on it, you'll see what this cowling does. It's actually shaped like a jet aircraft engine, intake and exhaust. There's actually a contour on it. So as the fan sucks the hot air from your attic, it blows it up into this contoured shape, helping the system to be more efficient. What we do is we eliminate the turbulence that's typically found in other solar-powered attic fans. So we put a lot of technology into the system. We put the technology in here for a reason. We designed this system to be installed on your home to provide the highest level of performance for the maximum time. The time period that we've designed the system to last is between 40 to 50 years. Now that's performance. That's Yellowblue performance.